Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the windshield wipers on your Ford Fusion. This is a 2014 model. There's a little clip here, I kind of already did a little bit. It pretty much just pops forward, pop it off. You get the old windshield wipers off. And I got the Michelin Stealth windshield wipers I'm going to show you how to be putting on today. Now when you undo the packaging, you're going to get a few different pieces here. You can see they all are vastly different. You're going to be using this piece today right here. So let's get started and show you how it works. Here we can see it comes with a clip inside already. So what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to remove that clip first. And all you're going to do is, it comes like this. We're just going to flip the clip around. Just flip it upside down. And you want to push down. Okay, once we push down, it just pulls right out. And this is what it looks like. So we're going to be taking this clip right here first. We're going to want to undo this piece right here, and that's a simple just pop, kind of like pop it off. Kind of do it from one side. Just come right off. See, now we have this piece just comes right off. We're going to take this piece and attach it to the windshield wipers, and it just goes in, just right on that bar. Pops right down in there, just like that. You see, just pops right down. You want to make sure that the clip, this clip right here, is above the little metal knob that comes off your windshield, the actual bracket here, but it should be in line. You'll see the little rounded part should be in line with this. So now all we gotta do is put the cover back on. So we take the cover, and that is it. It's in.